Yo, what's good? What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're watching episode 3 of Frieren. So I'm recording this one a bit early. Episode 2 hasn't even dropped yet, but I'm recording this because, dude, next week, dude, school's gonna be kicking my ass. I got like group projects and shit, and homework that I gotta catch up to, and that's on me. But you know, it's fine. You know, we move. But yeah, so what happened last episode was... Fuck, guys! Oh my... Wait, I forgot Hater died last episode. Holy shit, no. It was so random. No, it wasn't random. But yeah, Hater planned it all out. He had Frieren teach Fern like everything in 5 or 6 years. Bro, he's a fucking mastermind. Like, guys, he knew how long it would take for Fern to learn. Nah, this guy is actually the GOAT. R.I.P. Hater, man. And then what else happened was... Oh yeah, Frieren like solved the blue moon mystery or whatever with the flowers. That took a while. I think it was like half a year or something, which is insane for one quest. But yeah, well, we need age reveal soon, man. I feel like the math's not adding up, bro. How long is Frieren's lifespan? That's all I want to know. That's what happened in episode 2. So yeah, let's get into episode 3 and let's see what's up. Whoa! Is Fern grown or am I... Holy... Oh wait. It's... Dude, guys, are they ever gonna tell us how old these guys are? Like 7 years, huh? Like, bro, I don't know. Is she following her? It's gonna be sound so normal, huh? That's jewelry. Jewelry. No, she's buying for someone. Oh, for Fern! Yo! Oh my god! Yo, no, Fern doesn't know, but I swear. She's stressing. Guys, are you a cat or dog person? Like, low-key, I like how cats look, but dogs are so loyal, it's like, dude, can't go wrong, you know? Oh! Not Fern, this is literally for you. You know that, right? Alright, am I... What the hell? Oh no, get out of here, bro. Dude, nah, this guy just... The guy who told her about info? No, it's dessert shop. It's a dessert shop. It's a facade, huh? Oh wait, what? Bro, I'm so confused. What? Did they actually give her what? There's no way. Yes! Oh shit. Yo, I knew it. Damn, they were for real. What if... Oh, bro, how does she not... That's so bull. Like, if you kill the Demon King, bro, you better give me like $1 billion worth. Does she know about it? Oh.
何年一緒に旅をしていると思っているんだ。
Damn, the
なんとなくわかる
flashbacks.
さ。
私はみんなのこと何もわからない。
Dude,
じゃ
how
あ
old
知
is
って
she
もらえ
like
るよう
at
に
this
頑張る
point?
とするか
Like,
な。ちなみに僕の好物はルフオムレツ。
俺はブドウだ。酸っぱいほどいい。
grapes is fire.
酒だろ。
Yeah, okay.
知ってるぞ、生の坊主。
Like he didn't even have to finish it.
バレるほど酒飲んでるってやばすぎるでしょ。
Bro, fuck, man.
なぜ
R.I.P.
そういえば、今日は私の誕
Oh
生日でしたね。
shit, no wonder why. Is that a crown
綺麗
thing
な
or is it
髪
like
飾り、
oh hair?
ありがとうございます。
Oh,
とても嬉しいです。あなたが私を知ろうとしてくれたことは
dang, bro, she changed a
とても
lot
嬉し
already,
いの
no?
です。
Frieren, cause
知ろうとしただけなのに。
she's giving gifts. Like, for her birthday, like, she didn't visit Himel for 50 years, hide her for 20. Like, come on, let's be real here. Like, not even for a gift. Or to show up. Bro, when are they gonna meet the
で
redhead?
きる限りはヒンメルたちとの冒険の痕跡を
Like
た
that
ど
we
って
saw in the
いきたい
intro.
かな。風化する前にね。そ
Damn.
れはフリーレン様にとって大切なことなのでございますね。もう16ですからね。お姉さんです。お姉さん。食べているものはほとんど同じはずなんだけどな。
Guys! Tell me, give me an age reveal, bro. I'm actually dying. Like, please let me know. Like, the show, please tell me. 27 years after still. Okay, they're just practicing. Dude, she has to be crazy.
魔法もだいぶ慣れてきたね。じゃあ、
Like, the strongest motherfucker in the world. God damn.
どう対処する？
you don't, bro. This is like Saitama versus Genos.
耐えられる？
Nah, there's just some stuff you can't, you know?
ちょっと聞きたいことがあるんだけど。
These guys don't look good.
爆発。
Oh wait, oh they know
もし
her.
やフリーレン様ですかな。
Is her fame spread?
クバールの封印場所ですよね。ご案内します。
Is he like a
80年前にこの
oh
地で
shit?
悪逆の限りを尽くした魔族です。それを勇者ヒンメル様ご一行が封印してくださったのです。
その封印が近いうちに解けるから討伐し
So long? Oh nah, that's actually crazy.
30年ほど前まで
Oh
ヒンメル
wow,
様
what?
が毎年のように村に訪れておりました。様子も見に来ない白状者だと。
冷たいよね。
冷たいね。
悪かったね。
でも、村を見捨てるほど薄情ではない。封印が解ける頃にはやってくる。
Could we get some info about the dwarf though? I want at least one of her old party to be alive, dude. Like, come on, at least one person.
勝てなかった。ゾルトラーク。奴の開発した史上初の
Yo.
人類の防御魔法はもちろん、装備の魔法
Oh
耐性さえ
my
も貫通し、
god.
人体を直接破壊する魔法だ。
Yo, what the fuck? Is he stronger than Himiki?
では7割がゾルトラークによって
Holy
殺されたと言われている。
She's gonna solo him?
そんなの強すぎるじゃないですか。そう、強すぎた。強すぎたんだよ。
Did
だ
Himo
から
solo
こ
him?
そ、その強さがあだになった。
Maybe she has a reflex spell or something.
いや、いいよ。しっか
Oh
り
wait,
睡眠を
would
取
it go
ること
through
が大事だ。
reflex?
どうせ明日にはわかる。
Dude, holy shit. You look like a fucking titan. Uh-oh. Oh lord.
久しいの。
Yeah, he can speak.
何年経った？
80年。
たった
God
80年。
damn, how
私た
long?
ちにとってはね。
Bro,
魔王様は
殺した。フェルン、前方に防御魔法。
what? Doesn't he have the
ゾルト
fucking...
ラーク。
Bro, this guy... Nah, Zoltrak... That's a fire name.
驚いた。
Oh wait, she
ゾルトラー
defended
ク
it.
を防ぐとは随分高度な防御術式じゃのう。
I don't like how he's
フリーレ
looking.
ン様、これはどういうことですか？今のは一般攻撃魔法です。あ
What?
れがゾルトラーク。奴が開発したいわゆる
What do you mean? Wait, I'm so lost on an ordinary offense
ク
magic?
バール。お前の魔法は強すぎたんだ。お前が封印されてから大陸中の魔法使いが
Uh-huh.
ゾルトラークをこぞって研究解析した。わずか数年でゾルトラークは人類の魔法体系に組み込まれ、新しい
Okay.
防御術式による
Oh shit.
装備による魔法耐性も格段に向上し、
That... Oh my god!
人を殺す魔法で
Fern said that was ordinary.
今では一般攻撃魔法と呼ばれているよ。
Oh my god. Holy shit.
人間にとって相当長い時間らしい。
He's weak as fuck now.
おとなしくしていれば楽に殺してやる。
Oh no, he's plotting.
複雑な術式じゃのう。
Uh-oh.
魔力の消費もさぞ辛かろう。
防御魔法の弱点に気づかれた。
Yo.
練習でもういましたから。
Okay, we gotta fight. Okay. Let's go, Fern. God. Wait, why is Fern cracked? Guys, this is a fucking Demon King servant or whatever. Jesus Christ. Oh, you're dead, buddy.
飛べるの面白い。
ゾルトラーク。
Oh shit, she reversed it on him, bro. Oh nah. Jesus fucking Christ. Why is she so strong? No, Fern is busted too. Yo, who's stopping them?
私たちも平穏に暮らせます。
Bro, what the hell?
その帽子、
これですか？
お前、
Oh my
私の
god.
スカートめくったクソガキだな。
なーにやっとんじゃクソガキぶっ殺してやる。僕だって見たかったの
Oh
に。
my god, what
私はまずい
the
ぞ。
私の見せてあげますから。
うわ
Damn, guys. This is so sad.
ぁ、感謝されていましたね。直接の感謝じゃないよ。この
No,
村
they
の
did.
人たちはヒンメルを
Oh.
信じていたんだ。
I mean, it could be both, right?
よくわかりませんが、ヒンメル様はフリーレン様を信じていたのだと思いますよ。
Bro, that Zoltrak shit was so cool. Oh my, yo, nah, that's actually crazy. She Uno reversed Zoltrak on him. Oh wow, that was it. Alright guys, that was episode 3. Dude, that was good. That was a good one too. We got our first fight scene, which was Zoltrak. Is that his name? Oh no, it was Squall. Squall versus Frieren and Fern. Dude, that flew over my head at the beginning where Fern was like, that's Zoltrak? That's just regular ass magic, right? And then Frieren was like, yeah, like 80 years, boy. And then Uno reversed him with Zoltrak. That was cool. No one is stopping Frieren, bro. Like I said, it's literally Saitama. She's lived a bajillion years, defeated Demon King. She's collecting spells, like for any situation. And she is Fern for backup. And Fern is like talented as fuck too, no? They're actually unstoppable. I'm curious where this will go from now on, like if they're just gonna be doing side quests the whole time. I don't know, we'll see. The series is looking good so far, yeah, I'm really liking it. But that does it for episode 3, guys. I'll see you next time. Peace out.